Sarah, what are you working on?
The big event.
What's the... It's my birthday party, isn't it?
That was last month.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Can I have another one?
No.
Please?
No.
Oh. Well, then what's the... Richard Simmons doesn't come into town for another couple months. What's the big event?
It's the big event.
Sarah, what is the big event?
It's the big event. We're having free iPod giveaways and free food and all these different gift cards and a money booth where you can just grab money, you know, out of one of those like air blowing things.
Oh,
yeah.
it blows the money. That's so much fun.
Yeah.
Wait, Sarah, if there's all this cool stuff, why don't I know about it?
Maybe they didn't want you to come.
Ouch.